Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this episode we are in Utah in Salt Lake City at the Little America Hotel, and I'm showing you where this is. You see it in the circle here on the map, and it's on Main Street, and there is free public transport, and if you go all the way back you get to City Creek, Temple Square, also the cathedral, all the downtown stuff in Salt Lake City to go visit. So it's pretty central. As you can see here on this map, in the red square is the Little America Hotel. It's basically the whole block. And on the right side, don't confuse it with that, that's the Grand America Hotel, which is a way more luxurious hotel. And here's a picture. You can see the Little America on your left and the Grand America on the right. The Grand America is a 5-star hotel and the Little America is a 4-star hotel. But it is a very luxurious and fun place. It has several bars, it has several restaurants, it has buffet. Here's a picture of the breakfast buffet right here. And yeah, so let's go have a look at the room and take a walk through the hotel. I hope you enjoy. And this is the room here in the Little America in Salt Lake City. And this room here is in the garden section of the hotel, you know. The garden section is, I don't know if it's a little bit older, it's a little more simple. The view is also not as nice as in the big tower, but it's still a pretty good hotel, and it looks very nice. The lobby looks very luxurious too. I show you some pictures of it right here. From what I can see, the beds are good, TV is decent, nice size. There's an access to a second room, which is always a little weird. A coffee maker here, something to put ice cubes in, a microwave. Let's go look at the bathroom. Turn the lights on. Okay, here's the bathroom. Just your standard hotel bathroom, but it is, yeah, it's pretty nice. So no complaints here. The room seems to be updated, and yeah, I'll put you some information about the hotel in the description, and I'll go around and film outside so you can see what it looks like. There's ample parking here. There's an underground parking. There's a pool in the main tower, and the pool, I'll show you a picture of that one too, is up in one of the upper floors. So as soon as I go there, I'll show you what that looks like. The beds look nice too. They look nicer than your standard like motel type beds. Alright guys, so let's keep on and see what else we find.